Absolutely as dash is. As dash is. Cash only. This car will not be inspected by the dealer. As dash is cash only. In order to cater to all of our customers' needs, Roger Beasley Mazda Hyundai offers our customers the opportunity to purchase vehicles for a limited time prior to sale automatic transmission auction. This vehicle needs repairs. It may have a branded title such as prior salvaged title, flood damaged title, rebuilt or reconstructed title, or be identified as a lemon law vehicle under Texas state law. The odometer may have been modified before Roger Beasley Mazda Hyundai took possession of this vehicle. The vehicle may have prior damage that is not reflected on vehicle history reports. The customer will pay costs for all repairs to this vehicle. The customer understands that